Hi music students! For those of you who don't know me, my name is Ms. Gelbach and I am one of the elementary music teachers in Covina Valley School District. So today I'm going to be teaching you a lesson about how to practice and compose some rhythms at home using items you have around your house. So before we get to that part, let's review the definition of rhythm together. So in music, rhythm talks about the length of a sound. So it tells us how long or short we want to play or sing a pitch. So rhythm can mean long sounds and short sounds, but rhythm can also mean long and short periods of silence or rest. So here's the rhythms we'll be focusing on today. Quarter note, ta. Eighth notes, tt. And rest. And more specifically, we're going to use a quarter rest, which is a period of silence for one beat. So here I've laid out some items you can find in your home that are going to help us with composing some rhythms today. So these are pipe cleaners. I took one pipe cleaner and cut it in half. This is a plastic spoon, metal spoon, pen, pencil, and a straw. So I'm going to show you how to use some of these items to put together some rhythms, and I'm going to use the plastic spoons. So I've got my spoons ready here, and I'm going to show you how to use these and shape them into different rhythms. So one spoon by itself is going to represent our quarter note, ta, and then I'm going to combine 3 spoons together to make our eighth notes, tt, just like that, tt. And then for a rest, it's going to look a little bit different than a rest traditionally does, but for our rest, we're going to make it into the shape of the letter Z, like this. So that's going to be our rest. So we're going to make 4 beat patterns. So let's say I want ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. I'm going to start over here on the left side of my placemat and go to the right because we read music from left to right, just like you would read a book. So here's ta, here's my next ta, tt, I'm gonna form that, and then here's my final ta. So now, if you want to practice, I would suggest pointing to each one and speaking out loud. Ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. You can also point to every single rhythm one at a time, like ta, ta, ti, ti, ta. And that way you can really feel each one. So now I've made a pattern that's a little bit different. I replaced the tt with a rest instead. And to practice, I'm going to point to each one, each rhythm, and speak it out loud. Ta, ta, rest, ta. So remember, you don't want to skip over a rest because it still fills a beat. We still have to feel that beat, but it's going to be a beat of silence. So this time, instead of saying the word rest, I'm just going to be silent as I point to my rest, like this. Ta, ta, ta. And that's a great way to practice your rest, is by pointing to still feel the beat, but being silent. So for my last example, I'm going to combine all the rhythms that we talked about today. So we have ti, ti, ta, rest, ta. So remember, to practice a rest, we really want to actually be silent. So this time I'm going to point to my rest, but I won't say anything. Ti, ti, ta, ta. So I hope you enjoyed this video today and that you'll be able to find some objects to use in your house to practice and compose some rhythms. I'll see you on the next video and take care.